A single bolt of lightning packs enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Imagine the sheer power coursing through the skies during a thunderstorm. This immense electrical discharge, which can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, has the potential to light up entire neighborhoods, power industrial machines, and fuel countless appliances in just a split second. While we often marvel at lightning's dramatic flashes and the thunderous booms that follow, it's incredible to think about the raw, untapped energy each bolt carries. Next time you see a storm, remember the untold power overhead, capable of electrifying a small army of toasters in an instant.